Namaste, friends. Have you ever heard someone saying that I am a shopaholic? I endlessly shop online or in stores because I can't just stop it. It has become a habit. And to put it in a more harsh way, it would be that you've got addicted to material objects. You have got addicted to objects which you might not necessarily even need, and whatever catches your eyes you start desiring it, and this story goes on till you completely lose sight of reality and start hoarding. This is the ultimate form of greed that has taken over you. It is important for us to wonder that why does a person behave in such a manner. Greed can translate into very harmful thought process and actions which are detrimental to our life in this worldly space and even more detrimental to our spiritual progress. We have very refined and posh words for it, such as retail therapy. It makes you feel happy. And this is how greed entices us into things that are completely far removed from what this soul wants. When greed takes over, it is not a one off impression. It has a deep rooted connection to our ego, which is desiring and desiring in a manner which has no control. It is impulsive desiring for things that are not necessary, that are not worthy of spending time on. But once the ego has taken charge of our consciousness, it takes us further away from our soul. But because ego knows, once the aspirant is making efforts to connect with the soul, it will be reduced to the role of a servant. So, in order to avoid that, it entices the aspirant with whatever catches its eye, what is beautiful, what is in fashion, what is it that will ensure status. These are the most stupid justification that the ego can give. Our mind, which is again impulsive, jumps around and distracts the aspirant from his real goal. We start amassing, we start accumulating, we start hoarding, and at the end we feel disgusted internally about what is happening to us. And unless we are mindful and watchful, the ego will always play trick. And we should avoid this because it is detrimental to our spiritual growth.